Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you 8 tips and tricks for taking awesome travel photos. When on vacation, you frequently come across items that catch your attention and make you think, wow, that sure would make a fantastic photograph. However, nothing ever works as well as you had anticipated. And the reason for this is that getting a good photo of what you see is more difficult than one may anticipate. So please continue watching this video if you need to improve your photography skills so that you may return from your adventure with better pictures. So let's start by number 1. Engage with the culture. All places on earth have their own unique cultures and tourist hotspots like clothing stores, food, locals, and historical landmarks. So, to catch a great vacation photo, think of what makes your chosen photo target unique. And afterwards, attempt to remember that for the shot. Incorporate your scene with the culture in mind. For instance, in London, you might need to incorporate the down-door taxis or multi-level buses in the photos. Number 2. Consider lighting. Lighting can hugely affect how pleasant a picture will be. And let's say, for example, taking pictures around dawn or nightfall may bring about a photo with lovely and bright light. If you share your pictures on social media platforms, you do best to take some time and look for inspiration. See what the lighting of popular photos of your vacation spot is like and act accordingly with that information. Number 3. Don't forget major attractions. Everybody likes to take photos of more popular attractions when traveling. For example, the Big Apple in New York City or the Louvre in France. Number 4. Capture the less known attractions. Just as with the popular attractions, take some shots of the more unknown ones as well. These might be more fine architecture, a local park, or even a local market. Everyone knows what's the Eiffel Tower. Looks like so a picture of that adorable little French bakery nobody knows about is a better way to impress your friends and family. Number 5. Use reflections and puddles. Relatively few individuals need to travel on a wet, stormy day. However, you can get some of the best pictures during these kind of conditions. Utilizing puddles, rain, and snow in your photos can help you make a truly mysterious shot. You can likewise take pictures with vivid umbrellas, which can make a cool picture. This is perfect for making the most of those unexpected rainy weather ventures. Number 6. Take pictures around golden hour. When taking pictures around evening time, utilize a stand and the low ISO settings. This will guarantee your image is clear as a day and not grainy. Assuming you would prefer not to make a whole lot of effort, take a gander at downloading technology for your camera that can catch your great low light photos. Few mobiles are acceptable at catching low light photos without the camera quality being disturbed. To eliminate those shaking hands when manually taking a photo, put your telephone or camera on a hard surface, even if your travel buddies had head or shoulder could work. Number 7. Snapshot your food before eating. Perhaps the best thing about traveling is the detectable food you'll be gorging on. We all love to eat food, and we love to see the food, therefore photographing your food is an excellent idea. Since you'll get a lot of likes on social media, to take photos of your food, utilize white mode on your camera. Another choice is to take the picture from above, peering down. You could also consider getting a table outside or close to a window. The natural light which will help you catch a much more pleasant picture. without those pesky unforgiving shadows. And finally, number 8. You can feel like an Instagram travel influencer by scheduling your posts. This is a convenient way to post all your travel updates without having to put in much effort. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to press the like button if you liked the video.